Well, the CDC says nearly 92,000 people across the U.S. died of a drug overdose in 2020. That number up more than 20% from a year before. News 12 Connecticut's Lauren Fabrizi shows us how a local EMS department is trying to combat the opioid epidemic through a new program.
At Trumbull Emergency Medical Services,
we do around anything from 350 to almost 500 calls a month.
Among those calls,
generally they'll be unconscious, groggy, they'll have depressed respirations.
We have responded to fatal overdoses. I hate to say it more often than I would like to.
There's going to be 2 Narcans in a box.
That's why Trumbull EMS is rolling out a new program where EMTs and paramedics can leave behind a Narcan kit with the loved ones of victims who've survived an opioid overdose, should the person overdose again. The kit is not just complete with Narcan, but there's handouts that explain how to recognize the symptoms of an overdose and how to administer the Narcan.
On the back of our pamphlets, there is a QR code.
There's also information on resources that are available in the community.
We've realized that we really have an opportunity with our patients to continue that care and to empower them and their families to work towards that recovery and hopefully avoid having to need to use it.
It's part of new guidance the State Department of Public Health recently implemented. The program is optional, but Trumbull EMS Chief Lee Goodman says it is something she was immediately on board with. Being a nonprofit, Trumbull EMS's prevention partners have donated the kits. They have 50 for now and will pilot the program over the next 6 months.
So we really want to get out to the community that the more Narcan that we can put into people's hands, particularly those who are at risk, the more we feel we will be successful at saving lives and ultimately in reducing long-term substance use disorders and tragedies.
In Trumbull, Lauren Fabrizi, News 12 Connecticut.
And Trumbull EMS offers overdose prevention and Narcan training. The next session will be this fall.